Hey, what's up guys? I hope that you enjoyed my last Wolverine painting, and for today I made the Iron Man picture. But before you watch the video, I just wanna say who won the painting on the YouTube. So congrats this person with this comment, and for you who won the giveaway, I left the information under your comment with my email, so just write me or DM me on Instagram. And thank you for all of you guys who are participating in the giveaway. I really appreciate it. I have one more giveaway on this video today, but I'll tell you more details after you watch the Iron Man painting. Also for Instagram giveaway winners, check the Wolverine post on my Instagram or the last Instagram story. So guys, right now enjoy the Iron Man painting and I'll see you in the end of the video. Hi guys, I hope that you enjoyed the Iron Man painting, and for people who want to buy my art, I left links down below. Also, this Iron Man painting is limited, just check description on my website. And for you guys who do spray paint art, this stencil design I sell on my website, so it's easy to cut and you can make same painting like me using this video as a tutorial. And also great news, as I told you in the beginning of the video, I have one more giveaway but for the smaller painting of the New York skyline, which you see on the screen right now. And it's the same, it doesn't matter where you're from which country, I ship internationally. So the rules for this giveaway very simple. Just be sure you follow my YouTube channel, then like this video and leave any comment down below. That's it. And probably this Wednesday when I post a new video on the YouTube, I'll choose a new giveaway winner. And look, giveaway is only for one picture and only on the YouTube. Alright guys, good luck and see you on Wednesday, probably about 3 PM Eastern.